Welcome to Radio Fixer's channel. Subscribe for upcoming videos. Hello and welcome back to my channel. This upcoming video, I call it Showcase. What Showcase radios are the radios that they do not need that much work, but they are very unique. The way you access it, go to my channel, select playlist. Right here you will see it's called Showcase. Feel free to access all those videos. And meanwhile you're here in this channel, go ahead and subscribe. And this is where it's located, subscription icon. And select the bell so you'll be notified for upcoming video, and select the thumbs up so YouTube suggests this video to others. Thank you so much. I'm pretty excited to show this radio to you. This is the Transistor Radio. Of course, was in 1978. It was a sitcom at ABC that was really highly successful, called Mork and Mindy. I purchased this and I'm pretty excited about it. Let's open this box to see if the radio works or not. The box is in a good condition, and it's not bad at all for this age. As you see here, it says $6 new, so I assume it was $8.99. They sold it for $6, and this is back of the box. As you see, the box is not bad condition, so let's take it out of this and check it out. I'm pretty excited to see if this radio works or not. Still, it has styrofoam in it, which is a good thing. It seems like this radio is a brand new. Look at the condition. This. I put the box aside. No crack at all anywhere. Wow. Let's check the battery compartment. Yeah, this has never been used. Usually if this was used, the foam is all the way flat, and sometimes it has a dent for the battery. You see, this is nothing. It doesn't show anything at all. And also the foam here. So this seems like it never been used. Everything is in perfect condition. This side is for tuning, of course. This is a volume adjustment. That is Mork himself inside. This is how it looks like. I remember that show. I used to watch it. You know, for those of you on a younger generation, you might not remember. This was very popular TV show. I always wanted one of this. Finally, I found one online in a great condition. Just a little discolor in this area, as you see, just a little bit. I assume because that portion was out of here, somehow light got to it. I can somehow fix that, I assume. We will see. But that is how I look like. When I saw this, on sale, I said, I got to have this. I want this for a long time. A majority of them, were not in that good condition. Didn't have the box. This one, as you see it, everything is in really good condition. And this is what I find inside the box. It was all the way in the bottom. Is a manual, of course, for this radio. As you see, this is the Mattel company. I'm so glad I found this inside. Here has all the information, how to change battery, and it says 1979 Paramount Picture Corporation. Here, of course, it tells how to change the battery, and here is more information. It is pretty interesting. I'm so glad that they had this manual inside as well. Alright, I have a manual for this radio as well. This is great. This is great. They have several radios. They call them Concept 2000. They have several of them like that. That is great. I'm glad I found this. So let's put a battery inside and test it to see if it works or not. I hope it does. Because I don't want to take this apart. But it's very nice. And actually this is plastic. See? This is plastic. And one thing about this radio, you see here is flat. The reason they did that so the radio stay like this. Is always sit in the angle like that, you know. So that is what the unique thing about this radio is as well. Everything is looking good. I'm pretty excited about this. All right, let's put a battery and test it. Since there are not that many AM stations left, and those that are still available in my area are broadcasting political talk, religious talk, or sports, they are not really playing that much music. So I decided to put together an AM transmitter to broadcast old music in my house. In this video, I will use AM transmitter to showcase how well these radios are working. Feel free to watch this video to see how I put this unit together and how to broadcast to your antique radio using internet, Bluetooth, or other devices. So let's check it out to see how it's broadcasting. That sounds absolutely incredible. I'm so happy I purchased this radio. Let me turn this thing down a little bit. You know, I wanted, as I mentioned earlier, one of these for a long time. I'm glad I found this. And it didn't need any work. You know, this is in good condition.
This may sound strange, but knowing that someone would do that for me, well, it makes me feel really good inside. This is Mork, signing off from Boulder, Colorado. Until next week.
No.
This is going to be part of my unusual collection of Transistor Radio. It's just a beautiful radio, as you can tell. Alright, hopefully you enjoy all these videos. You take care. Have a great day. At this time, I want to take the opportunity and thank my subscribers with their uplifting comments. You always encourage me to upload more videos, since this is just a hobby of mine. Again, I appreciate you. Enjoy all these videos, and you all have an awesome day. Take care. If you're interested to see more videos like this, feel free to subscribe to my channel, and you will be notified when new video being uploaded. You have a great day.